Hi everyone, day 5 opening. And we'll start off with this one, which is from Zoe. And there we have some glitter alpha stickers. And there's numbers in here as well, actually. It might be handy for some days in my December daily. Thank you very much, Zoe. And then we have this one here from my mum. Oh, we've got some more of that card. Just folded in half. And then there are some, these look like acetate frames from Studio Calico. Oh, and it's got the little geotags and stars and heart cutouts in there as well. So thank you very much, Mum. And then number 5 from Georgia. In the grocer's bag. Nothing out. 1 times Christmas cut file. Message me and it will drop into your inbox like magic. Oh, and some unicorn chocolate coins as well. Thank you very much. I need to have a look at what cut file I want to get hold of. So here is day 5. Stay tuned for day 6. And now I'm back for day 6. So let's start with this one. And it's got this really bright pink pom-pom trim that I will keep and I will reuse in a project. I need to get that knot undone. Let's get it open first. This one's from my mum. Oh, Cherry Bomb, a shimmer bath fizzer. Oh, I love bath bombs, so that is much appreciated. Thank you very much, Mum. And then this one here is from Georgia. Apologies, I've got the dogs in the background. And then we have, what do we have in here? So we have it's like a palette, it's like a plastic palette brush, which I assume that you can use for mixed media. You'll have to let me know, Georgia. And then we have a little chocolate reindeer, which are my favourites. Thank you very much, Georgia. And then this one here is from Zoe. Of course, it's double wrapped. Silly me. Right, let's see what we've got in here. And in here we have, oh, little wooden toppers, and they're unicorns. They're skating unicorns. Christmassy skating unicorns. Those are amazing. Thank you very much, ladies. Stay tuned for days 7 and 8 coming soon.